Good day, fellow South Africans. Today I want to address the matter of the national importance, the deployment of South African National Defence Force in specific area of our country. Many citizens have asked why this step has been taken, and I want to explain fully and transparently. Our country is facing pockets of unrest, criminal activity, and threat to public safety in certain regions. The government has a responsibility to ensure that communities feel safe and that the rule of the law is maintained. This is why the government have decided, in coordination with the South African Police Service, to temporarily deploy the army to support law enforcement in critical areas. The army is not replacing the police, but assisting them in restoring order and protecting citizens. Deployment is guided by strictly operational protocols. Every action taken by the troop is in full compliance with the law, ensuring that the safety of the civilians is the highest priority. No action are taken outside these guidelines. I want to stress again, this deployment is temporary. The goal to stabilize community, restore calm, and allow law enforcement to operate effectively. The army is there to support, not intimidate, and their presence is strictly focused on safety. Over the past months, the government have observed the unrest and criminal activities tend to escalate in areas where communities are unprotected. By providing additional support, the government aims to reduce violence and prevent damage to property and lives. This deployment also allows police officers to focus on their essential duties, knowing that the army is assisting with protection and security in high-risk zones. It is a partnership, law enforcement and military working together for the safety of the people. Citizens are urged to play their part. Community cooperation is essential. The government has urged all residents to remain calm, report any criminal activity, and work together with the authorities. Safety is a shared responsibility, and everyone has a role to play. Our state is continuously monitoring the situation and have set up oversight team to ensure that all actions are lawful and effective. The goal is always the same, to protect life, maintain order, and restore normalcy. The government understands that the presence of soldiers on the street may be worrying for some. However, it reassures you, their role is protective. They are there to safeguard communities and prevent further escalation, not to replace civilian authority. This is also a moment to reflect on the importance of addressing the root cause of unrest, poverty, unemployment, and social inequality contribute to crime and instability. The deployment is a short-term measure, but long-term solution requires social and economic intervention. The government calls on community leaders, local authorities, and citizens to engage constructively with the government. Together, we can reduce violence, improve public safety, and create environments where families can live without fears. The army deployment is carefully planned. Every operation is coordinated with a clear communication between commanders and local authorities. This ensures that efforts are targeted, measured, and respectful of the human rights. Finally, let me emphasize that the government is committed to safety and security of all South Africans. The government assures that it will continue to monitor development closely and adjust their response as needed. The government's ultimate goal is peace, stability, community well-being. Thank you for watching. Let us remain vigilant, law-abiding, and supportive of one another. By working together, we can ensure that South Africa remains a safe and secure nation for all its citizens.